Alright, so this is 10 minutes of rain in Fort Walton, Florida. And look at it. That's what's coming off the roof up there. Look at it just plowing away. Do you believe that? And the flags are bopping around here. They just closed. It's 6 o'clock on Sunday. Yeah. And it's really coming down. It's kind of deep out there. That's right. The storm drain is happy. It's munching away a lot of water there. But yeah, it's pretty deep. Puddling up, puddling up. That's right. Amazing. Yep, that's Florida rain. See, compare that to that door. See how high it is? Amazing. Talk to you guys later. Stay corona safe. Love you.